Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this sterling silver Love You Forever pendant necklace. It has a cubic zirconia birthstone. Alright, so right here we got our necklace pendant. It is offered in different colors. You've got the blue, light blue, you've got a pink, you have a purple pink, there's a red pink, and then you have a white. So this one here is the blue, light blue. It is a sterling silver necklace and dimensions of the heart necklace. It is size of 0.79 inch by 0.87 inch zirconia. The size is 0.26 by 0.26. That is the chain length of 15.7 by 2 inches. So this is a super beautiful little pendant. The pendant has a birthstone on there, whatever color you have. It does offer in several different colors. It has a little I love you on there. You can see right here, this one is the blue pink. And it's got the little diamonds on the side. You got one right here on the left, and you got a little bit on the right. This is what it looks like. So the back of it has a nice little necklace. This is great for Valentine's, birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, Mother's Day gift. So on this one here, it weighs about 4.5 grams. It does have a cubic zirconia. It has a nice little clasp in the back to lock it up. The chain length is 15.7 inches plus 2 inches. The pendant size is 0.79 inch by 0.87 inch. The cubic zirconia is 0.26 by 0.26. It is a nice size length. It's a great gift. It looks really nice. This one here is the pretty blue. And then you got your little diamonds on the side. Just something to give your loved ones for that special day. It is not too cheap looking. I like the fact that it does have an I love you here at the top. You can switch this out if you don't like the chain. You can purchase your own chain and have it on this little pendant. So if you're looking for a great ideal, this little necklace pendant is perfect. Like I said, it does come in several different colors. This is the pretty blue one. So the other ones are as nice as this one. If you're looking for a nice little gift, I would definitely say check this one out.